Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create your own league in FPL. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your FPL app and tap on fantasy over here. Then you will find this kind of interface, right? Scroll till you find this option of leagues and cups. Then tap on this option of configure leagues. Then from over here, this is how the interface gonna look like. So for me, you cannot find the leagues and cups right away. You will have to sometimes go to more option and tap on leagues and cups, and then tap on create and join new leagues and cups. You can choose to simply join a league and cup or tap on create a league and cup. You can see classic scoring, head-to-head scoring, create head-to-head league, what you would like to create a league and cup. Tap on again, it'll add in the league name, write whatever you would prefer. You can see game week 1 is given, the cup and how the cup works is also shown over here. Right over here you can tap on create, and there you go, you will be able to create yourself a league in FPL. Likewise, I have done it for example only, but for you, do it thoroughly, right according to you, and you're good to go. So I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.